Where the relationship between man and nature is deeper than blood, every generation has to fulfill it. They swear that when the gods are angry, the earth trembles and the forest drinks blood. This land is ours. This forest is in our breath. And as long as there is blood in my veins, no one else has the courage to touch it. This time the fight will be even bigger.